Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about It's not the first time to talk about the quadrilaterals. We talk about before in grade 4. Okay, let's remember. Okay, the main shape of the quadrilateral is the parallelogram. Okay, like the father. Okay, let's remember. Parallelogram. Okay, has each two opposite sides are equal. Each two opposite sides are equal. These signs mean equal. Okay, each two opposite sides are equal and parallel. This arrows means parallel. Okay, this side parallel to this side and this side parallel to this side. Remember the meaning of word parallel? Parallel means never intersect. Okay, so each two opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, the two diagonals. Here we have two diagonals is a line segment which, yes, join the two opposite points. Okay, the two diagonals not equal. The two diagonals of parallelogram not equal. Any shape hasn't right angle, the diagonals not equal. Okay, so, and bisect each other. This is the common property for all diagonals in the quadrilateral. Bisect each other. They are bisect each other. Yani the point of intersection means this part make this part equal this part and this part equal this part. Okay. Each two opposite angles, this angle and this angle and this angle and this angle are equal. The opposite two angles are equal in measure. Okay, the sum of two consecutive angles يعني كل two angle consecutive sum بتاعهم equal 180. Like this and this. This and this are consecutive. This and this are consecutive. This and this are consecutive. So the sum of any two consecutive angles equal 180 degrees. Okay, this is parallelogram. Okay, the first sum of parallelogram is a rectangle. Okay, it's like a parallelogram, but the difference between them, it has one right angle or it has right angle. So the rectangle, okay, number one, each two opposite sides are equal and parallel. Number two, the diagonals. Do you remember? We said if we have right angle, it means diagonals are equal. The diagonals are equal. The diagonals are equal and the common property is bisect each other. Very good. Okay. The angles, all angles are equal and the type of it is right angle. Okay, the square, the second sum. Okay, the square is like the rectangle, but with equal sides. Okay, all sides are equal. Name, it has right angle, so the diagonals, yes, equal and bisect each other, and they has one property more اللي هي perpendicular. The diagonals are perpendicular. ليه هما perpendicular? Because we have equal sides. Because we have equal sides. Okay, so diagonals are equal if we have right angle, right? Like what? The rectangle and the square. The diagonals are perpendicular if we have equal sides. Like what? Like the square and yes. The next shape is rhombus. Okay. Let's see the rhombus. The rhombus has all sides are equal like the square. Okay. The diagonals. We don't have right angle, so the diagonals are equal? No, not equal. Lekin, the common property bisect each other. We have equal sides, so the diagonals are perpendicular. Okay. Each two opposite angles are equal. Okay. The trapezium, it has two parallel bases only. Two parallel bases only. Okay. So the common group between rhombus and square is the equal sides and perpendicular of diagonal. Okay. طيب قلنا the common property between the rectangle and the square, it has right angle, it has equal diagonal. Okay, let's see this complete with right or wrong. Okay, here the property and here's the shape. Okay, two opposite sides are parallel and equal. All of them, all sides are parallel and equal. Each two opposite sides are parallel and equal on all of them. All sides are equal. أو ساعات بيجيبها لي two adjacent sides are equal. فين rectangle or parallelogram? No. Square and rhombus. Okay, the diagonal bisect each other. We know that it's a common property. Trapezium no طبعا. Diagonals equal. We know that the diagonals equal in the square and rectangle. The diagonals perpendicular. Diagonals are perpendicular. We know that the diagonals are perpendicular in rhombus and the square. Two opposite angles are equal in all of them, all except the trapezium. All angles are right, rectangle and the square. Okay, let's see this example. ABCD is a parallelogram. AB equals 6, BC equals 3, and measure of angle ABC equals 60. Measure of angle ABC, all the angle BM equal 3 centimeter, and AC all it equal 4 centimeter. Complete. Okay. AB parallel to, yes, we know that each two opposite sides are parallel. AB parallel to what? Yes, to DC. And BC parallel to what? Yes, to AD. Letter B. AB equal what? Equal what? 10 centimeter. AB, yes, equal DC equal 6 centimeter. BC equal what? Equal 10 centimeter. BC equal AD equal 3 centimeter. BM equal what? Equal what centimeter? BM, this is diagonal bisect each other. يبقى BM equal DM equal 3 centimeter. Okay. AM equal MC equal 2 centimeter, because AC all of them all of it equal 4 centimeter, so that if we divide it into 2 it will be 2 centimeter. Measure angle B equal measure angle, the opposite angle, measure angle, yes, D equal 60 degree, and measure angle A opposite to angle C, and they are equal. Measure angle C equal, yes, we know that sum of this angle 180, so we are going to subtract 180 minus 60 equal 120 degree. Let's see this example in the opposite figure. In measure A 53 degree, measure angle DBC equal 45 degree, DBC, AM equal 6, AB equal 5, and BC equal 8. Calculate without using measuring tools each of. Measure angle ABD. Measure angle, خلي بالك, ABD, this angle. Measure angle ABD. We know that the sum of two consecutive angles equal 180. So measure angle A plus all of measure angle B equal 180 degree. So if we subtract 180 minus both of them, will give me angle ABD. So 180 minus the sum of these two angles will be equal 180 minus 53 plus 45 equal 82 degrees. Okay, measure angle D. D is opposite to B. So we have two methods to calculate and also consecutive with A. So we can make 180 minus 53 equal 127 degree, or opposite to this angle اللي هي 45 plus 82 equal 127 degree also. Okay, we have two methods to calculate. Okay, AC. Okay, we know that AM equals 6, so AC it will be 6 plus 6 equal 12 centimeter. AD equal 8 centimeter equal BC equal 8, and DC equal 8B equal 5 centimeter. In the opposite figure, find measure angle D and measure angle CAB and measure angle DCB. Let's see. Okay, measure angle D is opposite to angle B اللي هي equal 118 degree. يبقى measure angle D equal measure angle B equal 118 degree. Measure angle CAB, like we said before, 180 minus, yes, 27 plus 118 equal 35 degree. Measure angle DCB, all of C will be, yes, إما 180 minus 118 or 27 plus 35. Thank you.